How to make a 4-fold brochure in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Canva application on your device and simply tap on the search template option. And here simply search for 4-fold brochure over here. It will give you thousands of templates from which you can select for yourself. So I'm going to select on a very random one over here for now. And what you can simply do is you can tap on any of the templates that best suits for your particular project, and as you select on it, what you can do is tap on any of the factors like from text to colors to pictures, anything that you'd want to change or customize it for yourself. So if you want to change the color, you can simply tap on the picture and then select on the color option and simply change on a different color over here. You can tap on the text as well and increase or decrease the text size, change the font over here, and so on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.